Now we will see the classification of wind. First is permanent winds. Permanent winds blow from the permanent high pressure belts towards the low pressure belts. Permanent winds are also known as prevailing or planetary winds. The wind blowing towards the equator are deflected towards the west, and the wind blowing towards the pole are deflected towards the east. Types of permanent winds. The first is trade winds. Trade winds blow from the subtropical high pressure belts to the equatorial low pressure belt. In the northern hemisphere, the trade wind blow from the northeast and are called northeast trade wind. In southern hemisphere, the wind blows from the southeast and are known as southeast trade winds. Westerlies. Westerlies blow from the subtropical high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts. In the northern hemisphere, westerlies blow from the southwest, and in the southern hemisphere, westerlies blow from the northwest. Westerlies are experienced as warm winds. The third one is polar winds. Polar winds blow from the polar high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts. Polar winds are also known as polar easterlies. In the northern hemisphere, polar winds blow from the northeast, and in the southern hemisphere, polar winds blow from the southeast. Now the second one is the local winds. Local winds rises due to local or regional changes. Local winds affect small areas for short period of time. For example, land and sea breezes and monsoons. Local winds blow in a particular direction but do not always blow in the same direction. Sea breeze. During the daytime, the land becomes hotter than the sea. The air above the land becomes hot and rises, leading to low pressure above the land. The air above the sea level is cooler, so the pressure is high. The cooler air from the sea moves towards the land during the daytime, called sea breeze. Now the land breeze. At the night, the land cools down much faster than the sea. The warm air over the land rises, thus the pressure over the sea is lower than the pressure over the land. Air from the land blows out towards the sea, known as land breeze. The monsoon. The monsoon is a seasonal wind. It blows in fixed direction during a particular season. The monsoon winds reverse its direction with the change of seasons. The monsoon winds are mainly associated with southern and southeastern Asia. In summers, the interior of the continent of Asia gets extremely heated. Thus, the low pressure zone develops over the Asia. Moist winds from the Indian Ocean blow towards this zone. This causes heavy rainfall in summer. In winters, the temperature falls sharply and the high pressure zone develops over the interior of Asia. The sea remains warmer than the land. Cool, dry winds blow from the interior of the continents towards the sea. Now the cyclonic winds. Cyclonic winds are irregular winds for short duration. Cyclonic winds are caused by pressure system known as cyclones and anticyclones. Cyclones are the strong winds blow in a spiral towards the low pressure area at the center. In the northern hemisphere, cyclone winds blow in an anti-clockwise direction. But in the southern hemisphere, cyclone winds blow in a clockwise direction. Cyclones bring heavy rains and damage to the place over which they pass. Anticyclone. Anticyclone blow from the high pressure area at the center towards low pressure area. In northern hemisphere, anticyclone winds blow in a clockwise spiral, but in southern hemisphere, anticyclone winds blow in an anti-clockwise spiral. Anticyclone winds brings stable weather and clear skies. The third one is supercyclone. The eastern coast of India is one of the most cyclone-hit regions of the world. Supercyclone wind speed reaches here up to 300 km per hour. The supercyclone hit the state of Odisha on 28th of October 1999.